Alright, this is video documentation for Image on Metal ink, DBA Inspire ink by Images. This is two machines, an Avance forehead and a 1501C. The forehead is serial number 9041934. The 1501C is P011437. Okay, let me go over the basic machines and what's coming with them, and then I'll go over the accessories. So, with the 1501C, right here are the two legs for the stand. Right down there is the cross member for the stand. Here's the large table for the stand. And right down there, wrapped in bubble wrap, is the small table for the stand. And right here's the blue toolbox. Then this box right here contains a cap gauge, cap frame, tubular arms, leveling feet, caster, and hardware for the stands. And then you've got the round hoops. You have two square hoops, two 20 centimeter round hoops. This bag here has two 15s, two 12s, and two 9s in it. Okay. Then we have one large jacket back hoop and the tabletop. Then the power cord, Ethernet cable, and owner's manual right there. Okay, let me rearrange this just a little bit to get everything in here. Okay, so that's all the basics that come with that machine. Now the forehead, it already has the cap drivers on it with a cap gauge, or I'm sorry, a cap frame on each one. Right up here is the tubular arms for changing out to the hoops. Right behind that is the border frame. Down behind that, right there is the thread rack. Okay, then in these boxes here we have all the hoops. Right down in there is the blue toolbox for the forehead with tools and extra parts. Then you have the cap frames, the rest of the cap frames, and the cap gauge. So there's 4 more cap frames in there, and the cap gauge. Okay, this box right here on the back are the tabletops. I'm going to put these, right here's the leveling feet. And right down in the bottom also of there, right beside the toolbox, that black is the leveling pad for the feet to sit on. Okay, then you got, showing here, this has the smaller square hoops. Right there. Okay, and then you got the larger square hoops right there, along with the rest of the smaller ones down there. And then the rest of the round hoops are all in here. Okay, so that's everything that's standard with the machine. Okay, now I have the thread kits for both machines. You have a 4-head thread kit and a 1-head thread kit. They're all in this one box. The RTO1 and the RTO4. So all those threads are in here. There is 5 spools of the AS001 that are back ordered that we'll get those shipped out as soon as they come in. Okay, so that's for both machines. Let me just seal this box up. I'm going to put this behind the forehead. Okay, so let me take this, put it on the back of the machine here. Let me go right in here. Okay, Okay, so that's going to sit right in there. Okay, then I have the a CC01 kit and a CC04 kit. That's the 4-head accessory kit and the single head accessory kit. So it has the 3 box of bobbins in there. And I'm going to go ahead and just do your software while it's right here. The Sierra digitizing software, serial number 403001 BRMLA. Okay, that goes right in there. Alright, then we have 2 of these kits, which has the small scissors, tweezers, packs of needles, Solvay, and this one does have the Avance USB flash drive right there. So both of those will go in there. Then you have a Panto stock CD, and then 2 large pairs of scissors. Okay, so let me seal this box up. Okay, and this box is going to go right behind the thread rack, right down there. Okay, and then also we have the rolls of backing. So the one kit, the single head kit, has a roll of just a cutaway backing and a tearaway backing, one of each. Okay, and then the 4-head kit has 2 rolls of cutaway and 1 roll of tearaway. Okay, so those all sit in there. Now I'm going to take this whole tray right here and put it right on top of the single head. Okay, so that sits on there just like that. Now I'll put the lid on this. Okay, now I just need to put some straps around that one. That'll be ready to ship. I'm going to put plastic over this and shrink wrap it, and it'll be ready to ship.